Geez, tired of staring at the same white grid? Let's give your spreadsheet some style with custom theme. From the soft pastel to bold branding, Google Sheet makes it easy to match your vibe. First, you open the Google Sheet or desired sheet that you want. Then after, over there at the top, you can see Files, Edit, Views, Insert, Format. Tap on Format. There you can see at the top only Themes. Here you can see a pop-up will appear at your right. Select the theme you want. You can even customize the themes like this. You can customize the theme as well. You can see the changes happening. And there are many options of themes that you can use. If you tap on customize, there you can see font. You can even change the font, text color, chart background, which background do you want, and there are many options like hyperlink and many other colors are also available for it. Now your sheet won't be depressing. Now it's all dressed up.